I'm going to talk about outcome patterns. So let's look at weather warnings. So it's gonna take pop out the mouse. So let's actually click Toronto's Scarborough first. So there's gonna be yellow warning, which is extreme cold. The temperature, the wind chill is gonna be near -30. It's gonna continue tonight into Saturday morning. Wind chill near -30 may return Saturday night into Sunday mornings. So extreme cold weather. So the current temperature in Scarborough is actually -6 degrees. Let's actually do it properly this time. So it's actually -6. So that's whole Toronto, including Brampton. So let's look at Wagon and let's actually zoom out so you can click properly. So for Newmarket, there's two Newmarket between hills. So Newmarket is going to get some -30 to -35 degrees. It's going to continue like tonight into Saturday morning with wind chills of -30 to -35. May return Saturday night into Sunday morning for some location. This is the morning with some extreme colds. So let's actually start showing properly. So let's actually go to Markham. So Markham is -30 to -35 with this wind chill, not actual air temperature. It's going to continue tonight into Saturday morning. Wind chill of -30 to -35 degrees. Which may return Saturday night into Sunday morning with for some location. So nothing Brampton. Let's do Orange Falls. So Orange Falls is going to get some -30 to 35 wind chill with some extreme cold, which is yellow warning, and it's going to be same things. So let's do Port Elgin and Lion's Head. So not Port Elgin, Lion's Head, Hobie. So this going to be my wind chill is going to be -30. It's going to continue tonight into same day, same time, but it's going to be -30 the wind chill. So it's going to be same days, everything same. So let's do Owen. Let's do Collingwood. Collingwood's going to get something similar, wind chill of -30 to -35. It's going to continue same thing. Everything whole thing is same actually. Same thing as Newmarket. So let's double check Newmarket and combine with Collingwood. So there is nothing, no changes. So let's do Orla's. Orla's going to get some. Oh, let's do Orla a little bit south. So there's going to be wind chill of same things. The whole thing is same thing. So let's do Betty. Betty's gonna get some same things. So and she'll return same thing. That's- Georginia is actually the whole thing is same. Let's double check. Is whole thing is same. Beverly Isles is actually gonna get some same things. So let's do Bombay, Sunbury, South Bay, Midlands. So same things. So Port Elgin and Hanover. Same thing. Let's do Hanover. So this is actually Hanover is actually same thing. So everywhere Southern Ontario is actually similar, but what except East will give except for some weird place to Lake Simcoe it's going my with some snowfall. So no, it doesn't go. Actually, this blowing snow warning, but it doesn't show it. So just so let's talk about outcome patterns. So 1008, 1004, 1996 millibars of pressure. Let's go to Suma to Southern Ontario. There is nothing else. So let's go to 7 p.m. 1000. Let's actually zoom in to Southern Ontario after this. So 1028, 1024, 1020, 1000, whatever. Millibars of pressure. Let's go to 7 p.m. So 1032 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. So 1024 millibars of pressure. So let's actually go to 7 p.m. So 1016 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour, which is to the precipitation pattern because that was quick. So Lions Head or Bay Wartown Boyaldin Honorary Collingwood Bomb Beats and the Beats on the Bay Midland or the La Betty Jordania Bablesos Naga on the Lake Niagara Falls City Hamilton Oakville Mississauga Brampton Orange Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Queens Bay, whatever. So those is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 p.m., 4 p.m. So Lane said, oh, Bay, Wartown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Bomb Beach, Sun Beach, South Bay, Midland, Orilla, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Niagara, Lake Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orange, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, London. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snow. We're not doing Langton, Long Point, London, Queens by Port area and Windsor. Not doing those. So whatever cities I said. So let's go to next hour. Let's actually double check. There's nothing. 7 p.m. Not saying whole Southern Ontario. It doesn't show up like Kingston. So let's see if it actually shows Kingston in Google Maps. It doesn't. So Laincedo, Bay, Wartown, Boylston, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Bay, Midland, Orlella, Betty, Georgia, Bableses, Niagara, Lake Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville. Doses are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 10 p.m. So, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sun Beach, Bay, Midland, Orlella, Betty, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Niagara, Lake Niagara Falls City, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, not in Hanover yet. So Balboa's gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 70 average is February 7th, 30th hour. So Lions Head, Obey, Bartown, Boylston, Hanover, Collingwood, parts of no, whole Niagara Falls City, parts of Niagara on the lake. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 10 a.m. Laincedo, Bay, Tampa, Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, those Niagara Falls City, Niagara on the Lake Hole. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. It's a little bit, so it counts at whole Niagara on the Lake. So let's go to 1 p.m. So Laincedo, Bay, Boylston, Hanover, Watertown, Collingwood, Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is hopefully it's nothing. So let's go to 4 p.m. So Collingwood, Niagara on the Lake, parts of it. Niagara Falls City, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 p.m. So not in Collingwood. Collingwood, Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to 10 p.m. So Niagara Falls City parts of Niagara on the lake doses are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 a.m., which is whatever day it is. So let's go to 10 a.m. February 8th, Sunday, February 8th. So parts of Niagara Falls, well, it doesn't count. So let's go to 1 p.m. So eastern and central Niagara Falls is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 4 p.m. There is almost nothing except snowfall near Niagara Falls City. So let's go to 7 p.m. There is nothing else. 10 p.m. There's nothing else. At 7 a.m. There's nothing else. 10 a.m. There's nothing else. 1 p.m. There is something. So Lion said, Obey, Bartown, Boylston, Hanover, Collingwood, Bomb Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 4 p.m. Line said, Obey, Bartown, Boylston, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Salaby, Midland, Orla, Betty, Georgia, Babylon, Port Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge. Those are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. Oh, 7 p.m. Georgia is going to get some passing 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 10 p.m. There is nothing else. 7 a.m. So, like said, obey white temples in honor Collingwood, Bombay, Sunbeat, Saturday, Midland is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, 10 a.m. So, Whiteham, Boylston, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Sunbeat, Saturday, Midland, Orla, Betty, Georgia, Babylon, Niagara, Niagara, City, Hamilton, Oakville, Sissaga, Brampton, Orangewood, Downtown, Richmond Hill, Meal Market, Scarborough, Stouffville, Lashua, Uxbridge, not in Cobalt Cathedral yet. So those are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. So let's go to next hour, which is 1 p.m. Oh, line said OB is 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to actually 1 p.m. So this waiting in lines, cities I don't need. So I don't need this. These, oh, that's Hanover. So this, so let's look at like next hour, 1 p.m. for February 10th, same days. So line said OB, Collingwood, Bombay, Sunbeach, Salaby, Berry, Babylon, Georgia, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, possibly. So those places are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Actually, it's 2.5 in those places. So places, what have I said? So Port Elgin, Hanover again. So it's down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, possibly Orangeville, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Niagara, Niagara Falls City. Hamilton, those is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Burlington's gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 4 p.m. So, line said, Obey, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanby, Salaby, Midland, Aurora, Betty, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Sissaga, Brampton, Oniswold, Downtown, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, parts of Niagara Falls City, those cities are gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Orange was actually 0.25. So let's go to next hour, which is we didn't do properly in Port Elgin, Hanover. So Port Elgin, Hanover is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. I think Whitehan even is the wrong place for Hanover actually. So let's go to next hour. Niagara on the Lake is gonna get 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Hamilton, Ports of Oakville, which is southwestern, is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 1:14 hours. Like I said, Obi, Whiteton, Boyodin, Hanover, Collingwood, Mississauga, down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, parts of Scarborough, parts of no, it's gonna be so full. Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City, the city's local. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snow, including Hamilton, Burlington. So Brampton is going to get some 0.2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Orangeville is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Oshawa, Uxbridge, parts of Scarborough, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Barrie, Georgia, Babylon, Olala, Bombay, Stanby, Saturday, Midland is going to get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So snowfall is going to stay the same, like 0.25 actually. So let's go to next hour, which is 10 p.m. Palm Beach, Sun Beach, Salaby, Midland, Orla, Betty, Georgia, Babylon, Scarborough, Stouffville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Sissaga, Brampton, Orangewood, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, even the passes through Peterborough. Those are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. By point out, Peterborough is gonna get 2.5. Belleville is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. 2.5, no, 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. It's in Parson Falls City, it's eastern. So Oakville is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is February. Nothing. So let's look at total precipitation. So, oh, this is 12 hours. So, wrong hour. So, let's go to 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. actually. So, Collingwood, 2 millimeters. Whitetown, 1 millimeters. Lines and Hope's Bay is going to be 0.8 millimeters of rainfall, but actually 0.7. So, Boy Elgin, 1 millimeters. Hannah is going to be 1 millimeters of rainfall. Everywhere Niagara Falls, at least 1 millimeters. Niagara on the lake is going to be 1 millimeters. Coburg is going to get some 0.6 millimeters, 0.7. Belleville's 2 millimeters, so Mississauga is going to be 0.8 millimeters. Brampton is going to be 0.7 millimeters of rainfall, 0.6. Survey is going to be 0.3 millimeters, 0.5 millimeters. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be 0.7 millimeters. So let's go to Peterborough. So Peterborough is going to get some. That's actually Coburg is a little bit far. So it's going to be 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour. Okay, let's do properly. There is nothing. Oakville, Eastern Oakville, 0.2 millimeters. Queens Wise, whatever. So let's go to next hour. So Collingwood 0.7, everywhere Niagara Falls is 0.7. Niagara Falls City is going to be 1 millimeters of rainfall, but Axel is 0.8 millimeters. London. So Hope, no, it doesn't count. So let's go to next hour. But the whole everywhere except Niagara Falls City is 0.8 millimeters of rainfall. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. February 9th. So Line said, "Oh, be white and poison. Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland is gonna be 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. Hanover is gonna be 0.65 millimeters. Olala, Betty, Georgina, Bablas is gonna be 0.2 millimeters of rainfall, but the actual precipitation is different everywhere. So the closest, the very is actually the heaviest in Lake Simcoe is actually 0.5, and low lightest is 0.4. So or 0.3, 0.4 most of the time. So let's go to Scarborough. Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge. It's going to be 0.2. That's the mean average, but the Oshawa is actually going to be 0.5. So Uxbridge is same thing. Uxbridge is actually same thing as Oshawa's, almost. So it's actually going to be 0.5 millimeters or 0.45. So Scarborough, Stouffville is going to be 0.45. So Niagara on the lake 0.7, Niagara Falls City the lightest could be 0.2, and heaviest is 0.4 millimeters of rainfall 0.5. So mostly 0.5. Let's go to the next tower, which is Beverly Hills is 0. Whatever. So let's go to next tower, which is 7 p.m. Whitetown 5 millimeters, Collingwood 6 millimeters, Brampton 5 millimeters, Mississauga 5 millimeters, Atlanta 4 millimeters, Carver 4.5 millimeters, 5 millimeters is in Stouffville. Orangeville Newmarket is different. So Orangeville is actually going to be 3 millimeters, Newmarket 5 millimeters, Uxbridge was 7 millimeters, Sasha 5 millimeters, Peterborough 7 millimeters, Coburg 7 millimeters, Belleville 6 millimeters, everywhere Niagara Falls for 3 millimeters, Hamilton 3 millimeters. Cool is going to be heavy is 5 millimeters, the light is going to be 4 millimeters, 3 millimeters actually. So where else in Hanover 4 millimeters, so Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be 7 millimeters. Solid be 8 millimeters. Midland's going to be 6 millimeters, but actually 7 millimeters. So Erie, Beverly Hills, Georgina, Olala is going to be 0. No, it's going to be 7 millimeters. So let's go to Lionshead OB. It's going to be Lionshead OB is actually going to be 6 millimeters of rainfall, but it's not going to be 5. 5 is closer there. So let's go to next tower, properly this time, London. So let's go to next tower. Oh, there is no next tower. Nothing 10 p.m. is already showing up. So let's go to Next hour, which is total snowfall. So let's set up to 24 hours. So it's gonna take a while. Oh, so 8. So Y time 1.1, Collingwood 2.0, Brampton 0.5, Mississauga 0.4, where it's 4, Dutton 0.1, Scarborough 0.1, Stillford 0.1, Newmarket -6, 0.6, Orangeville 1.3, Wilkes-Barre 0.2, Peterborough 0.7, Coburg 0.7, Belleville 0.2.3, everywhere Niagara Falls. No, Niagara Lake 0.9, Niagara Falls is 1.4, Hamilton 0.1, Oakville 0.1, Oakville again 0.5. So let's do very so 0.6 centimeters is in Berry. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be 0.6 centimeters of snowfall. Lines in Hopes Bay is going to be 0.9 centimeters. Borealis is 1.3 centimeters. Hana is going to be 0.776, no, 0.7 centimeters. So it's fine. So let's go to next tower, which is let's go to London. Let's go to next hour, which is February 8th. So February 8th. So 0.2 is in Whitetown, Collingwood 0.8, everywhere Niagara Falls 0.8 centimeters, Brampton 0.1 centimeters, Grimsby, whatever, London, whatever. So let's go to next hour, which is 24 hours after that, 7 p.m. Your precipitations. So Whitetown 0.6, Collingwood 0.5. Newmarket, Orangeville 0.3, Stouffville 0.3, Scarborough 0.3, Dartmouth 0.3, Brampton 0.2, 0.3, Mississauga, Uxbridge 0.4, Oshawa 0.3, Peterborough 0.2, Coburg 0.2, everywhere Niagara Falls 0.45, Hamilton 0.2, Oakville 0.2, Mississauga 0.3. So let's do Barrie is 0.4 centimeters, Georginia is going to be 0.4 centimeters, Beverly is 0.4 centimeters, Olala is going to be 0.4 centimeters. So 0.3 or 0.4, 0.4. So Solid Beach 0.5, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be 0.6, Midlands is going to be 0.5 centimeters. Lions Head or Bay is going to be different. Lions Hope's Bay is 0.6, Lions Head it's going to be 0.6 centimeters. So could be. So let's go to Mississauga. Mississauga is going to be 0.3 centimeters or so far. We did it properly this time, so that was the count London. So let's go to next tower, which is 7 p.m. February 10th. So Y10 0.4.7, Garden 4.5, 5.5. Everywhere Niagara Falls, whatever. So Niagara on the Lake 2.7, Niagara Falls is 2.1, Hamilton 2.8. Heaviest could be in Oakville, 4.9, 4.8. It's gonna be 4.9 centimeters. It's in Mississauga and Oakville. So Brampton is 5.0, Stouffville 4.6. Scarborough is gonna be between those. So it's gonna be 4.35 centimeters or so for Delta on 4.1. Newmarket 5.1. Orangeville is gonna be 4.6 centimeters. Uxbridge 6.7. Oshawa is 5.2. Peterborough 6.7.4. Coburg 6.9. Belleville 6.4. So Port Elgin is going to be 3.7, 3.8 centimeters. Hanover is going to be it's going to be 4.6 centimeters of snowfall. So Lion's Head or Bay is going to be 5.97 centimeters. Solid Bay is 7.6. Inland is going to be 7.6 centimeters of snowfall. So actually 7.5. So Thunder Beach is actually going to be close to it. 7.4 centimeters. So Bombi is 7.4 centimeters. So Berry is gonna be 6 point. So it has a middle. So we're gonna use the mean average because it's close to it. So it's actually going to be the second. So it's gonna be 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters, Georgia. Babla is 6 centimeters. Lula, it's gonna be 6 centimeters. But the actual precipitation amount is gonna be 6.3 everywhere. So one of them is 6.2, which is Beverly Isles. No, this can't. So let's go to next tower. It's around 6 centimeters, the mean average. It's for lakes and go everywhere. So let's go to next tower. There is no next tower. Let's look at air temperature patterns. So look at air temperature pattern. So starting from 3 p.m., warmest hour. So line said, oh, Bay is going to be -1 degrees. 4 hours -1. Honolulu -2. Collingwood -2. Whitehall -2. Palm Beach -3. Thunder Beach -1. Solid Bay -2 degrees. Midland's going to be -3 degrees. -3. So Beverly Hills is -3. Barrie -3. Georgia -4. Borderlines -3. So Lula -4 degrees. So it's X -4 before. So London, whatever. So Hamilton -2. Oakville -2. This is Mississauga -3. Toronto -3. Brampton -3. Richmond Hills -3.5 degrees. That's Richmond Hills. So Stofu -4. Newmarket -3. In Orangeville is going to be -3. Uxbridge -4. Oshawa -4. Peterborough -4. Coburg -2. Bravo -4. Everywhere Niagara Falls is -2.5 degrees. Good spot. So let's go to next tower. Let's do this. Let's go to next tower, which is February 7th tomorrow. So 7 a.m. So Whitehall -18, Garden -19, Hamilton -17, Oakland -17, everywhere Niagara Falls -16.5. Brampton -19, Mississauga -19, Downtown -19, Scarborough -20, Stouffville -21, Newmarket -21, Orange Hills -20. So Uxbridge -23, Oshawa -21, Peterborough -23, Coburg -20, -22, Belleville. So 4 Elgin -17, Hanover is going to be -18. So Bomb in Thunder Beach is going to be -19 or -19 degrees. Solid Beach -21. Midland is going to be -22 degrees. 22. Lilla is going to be -22 degrees. Georgia -20 degrees. So Fabulous is -21 degrees. Barry is going to be -21 degrees. So let's go to whatever. So line said Bay is going to be -17, but the actual temperature is -18 degrees. No, -70 degrees actual temperature. So London. Orange was -20. So let's go to 3 p.m. So we don't need 7 a.m. So Whitehall -16, Collingwood -17, London -14, Renton -16, Mississauga -16, Toronto -16, Scarborough -17, Stouffville -18, Newmarket -18, Orangeville -17, Uxbridge -19, Oshawa -18, Peterborough -19, Coburg -17, Belleville -17, everywhere Niagara Falls -14.5, Hamilton -14, Oakville -14. Line said Bay is going to be minus. Line said Bay is going to be -15 degrees. So Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be different. So Palm Beach -17, Thunder Beach -17. So it's actually -6, 17. So 17. Solid Beach -18, Midland -18. So Lila is going to be. It is going to be -18 degrees. Georgia is going to be -17, 19 degrees. Babylon is -19. Lila is going to be -18 degrees. 19 -19 is our last, so it's actually -18 is like celebrate, so it has to be all the last same things. So order that's the wrong place again. So if you do order last over the tipping point, that's should be close to Lake Sink or south more south than that. So it's gonna be -19 degrees. So it's actual temperature, not -18. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So Whitehall -20, Collingwood -20, London whatever, Brampton -24, Mississauga -22, Downtown -22, Scarborough -23, Stouffville -24, Orange Newmarket is going to be -25, Orangeville is -25, Uxbridge -25, Oshawa -23, Peterborough -26, Coburg -22, Belleville -26, Hamilton -29. It's going 19, -19, Oakville, everywhere now, Falls -16.5. Lula -28 degrees. Georgia is going to be 24, 23 degrees. Babylon is going to be minus 25 degrees. Barry is going to be minus 25 degrees. Lionshead or Bay is going to be minus 17 degrees. So Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be minus 23 in Palm Beach. Thunder Beach is going to be minus 20 degrees. Solid Bay minus 23. Midland is going to be minus 24 degrees. 28 degrees. Actually, it's minus 24. So let's go to next Port Elgin. Port Elgin minus 18. Hanover is minus 20 degrees. Tokens Y. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. So White minus 15, Collingwood minus 16, Brampton minus 18, Mississauga minus 17, Toronto minus 17, minus 18, Mississauga, Toronto minus 17, Scarborough minus 18, Stouffville minus 19, Newmarket minus 18, Orangeville is going to be minus 17 degrees, Uxbridge minus 19, Oshawa minus 17, Peterborough minus 18, Coburg minus 16, Belleville minus 17. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is going to be minus 15, Hamilton minus 14, Oakland minus 14, Mississauga, Oakland borderline is minus 17 degrees, so Lions Head or Bay is going to be minus 17 degrees, but the actual temperature minus 16 degrees, so that's our bump, thunder, and Salak is going to be minus 17 degrees. So Midland's going to be minus 17 degrees. So that's close to Lilla minus 16, Georginia minus 17, Beverly and Barry is going to be minus 17 degrees. Well, the wrong place is going to be minus 17 degrees. So that's Port Elgin minus 14. Hanover is going to be minus 14.5 degrees. So London. So let's go to next hour. So minus 17, minus 16 Midland actually. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So we're this pop hours. So Whitehall minus 19, Collingwood minus 19. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is minus 15, Amateur minus 18, Oakland minus 18. Local the warmest temperature minus 19, so the coldest. Warmest is minus 18, down to minus 19, down to minus 22, Brampton minus 26, Stover minus 34, Scarborough 20 minus 22. Newmarket, Orangeville, minus 25. Uxbridge, minus 24. Minus 24. Minus 22. Oshawa, Peterborough, minus 26. Coburg, minus 20. Belleville, minus 26. London. So, bomb and thunder, it's going to be, the bomb is going to be minus 22. And Southwark, it's Thunder Beach is going to be minus 16 degrees, but the actual temperature is, it's wrong temperature. It's actually minus 16 degrees. It's in Solid Bay. No, Thunder Beach. Solid Lake Bay is minus 22. Midland's going to be minus 26. Lula, minus 26 degrees. So, Georginia, minus 21 degrees. Beverly Hills is going to be minus 23 degrees. I bet it's going to be minus 24 degrees. So, like I said, Bay is going to be whatever temperature. It's going to be wrong temperature all the time. Going to be minus 16 degrees. So, skip lines it a little bit until the actual temperature. So there is no next. Oh, there is a next hour. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. So this will solve everything. So White minus 9, Gottingham minus 11, London minus 10, Hamilton minus 10, Oakland minus 10. That's the warmest, the coldest in Oakland minus 11. Toronto minus 12, Scarborough minus 12.5, Stouffville minus 13, Brampton minus 12, Mississauga minus 12, Newmarket minus 13, Uxbridge minus 12, Oshawa minus 11, Peterborough minus 13, Coburg minus 11, Belleville minus 14, everywhere Niagara Falls minus 7.5. So good fight. So Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is different. So Palm Beach is going to be minus 12 degrees, actually 11.5. Thunder Beach minus 11 degrees, Solid Beach minus 12, Midland is going to be minus 12 degrees. So Arilla is going to be minus 12 degrees, Georginia is going to be Georginia minus 14 degrees. Beverly Hills is going to be minus well, minus 11 degrees. So line Z OB is going to be minus 8 degrees close to this. X is minus 9 degrees, minus 8 degrees possible is line Z OB. So let's go to next topic. It is actually whatever. So let's go to next topic, which is 7 a.m. So this is actually whatever. So London whatever. Y to minus 7, calling on minus 9, Brampton minus 8, Mrs. minus 7. Toronto, Toronto minus 7, minus 7.5 is in Scarborough, Stoffel minus 8, Newmarket minus 9, Orangeville minus 10, Uxbridge minus 10, Oshawa minus 8, Peterborough minus 13, Coburg minus 8, Belvoir minus 19, everywhere Niagara Falls is minus 11.5, Hamilton minus 8, Oakville minus 8, Oakville warmest temperature is going to be minus 6.5 degrees, but the actual temp, well, it could be. Boy, also minus 7, Ottawa minus 7, Lines and Hopes Bay is going to be minus 7 degrees, but the actual temperature is minus 6 degrees. So, Palm Beach minus 9, Sunny Beach minus 9, Solid Beach minus 10, Midland minus 11, so Lula is going to be minus 11 degrees. So, Barrie is going to be minus 10.5, Georgia minus 10, Babylon is minus 9 degrees. So, Midland. So, let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. Whiteham minus 3, Collingwood minus 5, Brampton minus 5, Mississauga minus 4, Toronto minus 4, Stoffel minus 6, Scarborough minus 5, Newmarket minus 6, Orangeville minus 6, Uxbridge minus 7, Oshawa minus 6, Peterborough minus 8, Coburg minus 6, Belleville minus 8, Hamilton minus 3, Oakville's going to be minus 3 degrees, same. Niagara on the lake minus 3, Niagara Falls City minus 2, Hopes Bay minus 3, Hopes Bay minus 3, line says going to be minus 2.5. So Palm Beach going to be minus 5. Turtle Beach minus 5. South Bay minus 6. Itland minus 6 degrees. So Barrie is going to be minus 6 degrees. 6 degrees possible. Georgia minus 6 degrees. Babla is minus 6 degrees. Olala minus 8 degrees. Port Elgin minus 2 degrees. Hanover 2.5 degrees. Minus 2.5. So London done. So, like Barry, Babylon is Virginia is actually minus 6 degrees, or there's only one is minus 8 degrees, actually minus 7 degrees, only one is. So, Orla's actually only one is going to be minus 7 degrees. So, let's actually, oh, too far off. So, this is the end of the video.